Hello friends, today we are going to learn these two connectives, that is if then and if and only if. Okay, so let us start our first connective, that is if then. Its mathematical name is conditional or implication, and its symbol is okay. So friends, when two simple statement is connected by if then the resultant statement means complete statement is called as conditional statement or implication statement. Okay, for example, if the surface area decreases, then the pressure is increases. Okay, so in this example two statements are there. First statement, that is the surface area decreases, and second statement, the pressure is increases. Okay, and these two simple statement is connected by if and then. So this complete statement is called as conditional statement or implication statement. Okay, so if the first statement is represented by P and the second statement is represented by Q, then the complete statement is denoted as okay, and it is read as P conditional Q or P implication Q. Clear? So in P conditional Q, this P is called as condition, hypothesis or antecedent, while this Q is called as result or conclusion. Okay, so friends, here one question is arise that why this connective is called as conditional or implication. So friend, such a statement which is connected by if then, in that statement, first statement which is connected by if is the condition, while the second statement which is connected by then is the result of that condition, and because of that this connective is called as conditional. Okay, so it is also called as implication because of only symbol, because this is the symbol of implies or implication. Okay, now let us learn its truth table. Okay, for that purpose write down two statements, that is P and Q, and then P conditional Q. Okay, after that write down all the four possibilities of two statements, that is TT, FF, TF and FT. Okay, while learning the truth table of conditional statement, only one thing should be noted, and that thing is when the condition is true, condition means first statement, while its result is false, result means second statement, then the complete statement means the conditional statement becomes false. म्हणजे साध्या भाषेत लक्षात ठेवायचं की जेव्हा कंडिशन ट्रू असेल, म्हणजे पहिलं स्टेटमेंट ट्रू असेल पण त्याचा रिझल्ट फॉल्स असेल, म्हणजेच सेकंड स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स असेल, तर त्याचं कंडिशनल स्टेटमेंट हे तुम्ही काय घेणार, फॉल्स घेणार. म्हणजेच अजून साध्या भाषेत लक्षात ठेवा, टी एफ असेल तर एफ लिहायचं. मग चेक करू आपण, टी एफ नो, टी एफ नो, टी एफ ओके, देन राईट डाऊन एफ, टी एफ नो, okay. Now in the remaining place write down T. Okay, so here we have completed our first connective, that is if then. Now we have to discuss one another connective, that is if and only if. Okay, its mathematical name is biconditional or double implication. And this is the symbol. Okay. So friends, when two simple statement is connected by if and only if, then the resultant statement means the complete statement is called as biconditional statement or double implication statement. For example, triangle is an equilateral triangle if and only if it is equiangular. Okay. So our example is triangle is an equilateral triangle if and only if it is equiangular. In this example, two statements are there. First statement, that is triangle is an equilateral triangle, and second statement, it is equiangular. It is means triangle is equiangular. Okay. So represent the first statement by P, that is triangle is an equilateral triangle. Suppose it is represented by P. Second statement, that is it is equiangular. It is equiangular means triangle is equiangular, which is represented by Q. Then the symbolic form of this statement is, okay, because triangle is an equilateral triangle which is represented by P, if and only if, and for that purpose we can use this symbol. And it is equiangular. It is equiangular means triangle is equiangular, and for that purpose we have used this Q here. So the symbolic form of this statement is, okay, and it is read as P biconditional Q or P double implication Q. P biconditional Q is split up as P conditional Q or Q conditional P. Clear? So friends, here also you have to arise one question, and that question is why this connective is called as biconditional or double implication. So in such a type of statement which are connected by if and only if, both the statement are the condition while both the statement are the result of each other. Means if first statement you consider as a condition, then the second statement is the result. And if you consider second statement is the condition, then the first statement is the result of that condition. And because of that, it is called as biconditional statement. And double implication because of only symbol, because it is the symbol of double implies or double implication. Okay. So friends, now let us learn its truth table, and for that purpose write down two statement, that is P and Q, and its biconditional statement. After that, write down all the four possibilities of two statement, that is TT, FF, TF and EFT. So while learning the truth table of biconditional statement, here also you have to remember one thing, and that thing is when both the statement have same truth value, then their biconditional statement are always true. Clear? म्हणजे साध्या भाषेत लक्षात ठेवायचं का सेम जर ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू असेल, मग त्यात टीटी असेल तरी चालेल किंवा एफ असेल तरी चालेल, पण दोनही स्टेटमेंटच्या जर ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू सेम असेल तर त्याचं बायकंडिशनल स्टेटमेंट हे का घेणार तुम्ही ट्रू घेणार. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल टीटी आहे सेम ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू म्हणून टी घेणार, एफ सेम ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू आहे म्हणून टी घेणार, सेम ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू आहेत का नाही, सेम ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू आहेत का नाही म्हणजे टी घ्यायचं का नाही, म्हणजे तुम्ही काय घेणार. Okay, so here we have completed the second connective, that is if and only if. Okay, so friends, I hope you understood and enjoy this portion. If you have any difficulty regarding to this portion, then ask me on my personal mobile number. Thank you and have a nice day too.